What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Trey, the channel where we talk about tech that's not just powerful on paper, but actually makes a difference when you're out there grinding. And today, we've got a camera that's built for creators, filmmakers, hybrid shooters, and anyone looking to push their visuals into pro territory. If you've been thinking about upgrading your content, your studio, or even just your travel kit, this one deserves a serious look. This is the Sony A6700, a mirrorless powerhouse that brings together high-end performance, next-gen autofocus, and content creator-friendly features into one compact, do-it-all camera body. Whether you're shooting 4K video, grabbing high-res stills, or doing both in the same day, this camera is built to handle whatever you throw at it, and it doesn't mess around. As always, the link to the product is in the description below. Smash that like button if you find this helpful, subscribe for more real-world tech breakdowns, and let's get right into why the A6700 might just be your next big upgrade. Right off the bat, this thing feels premium. It's small and lightweight, but don't let that fool you. It's rugged, solid, and fully loaded. It's got a refined grip, intuitive button layout, and that signature Sony ergonomics that's been refined generation after generation. Whether you're filming handheld, on a gimbal, or locked to a tripod, it feels balanced and comfortable in hand. The build is designed for versatility, professional enough for commercial work, but simple enough to use every day. Now let's talk about the heart of this thing, the sensor. The Sony A6700 comes with a 26-megapixel APS C sensor that brings you sharp, detailed stills and incredible video clarity. This sensor strikes the perfect balance between resolution and speed. You're getting plenty of detail for high-end photography, plus the performance headroom needed for high frame rate video and fast burst shooting. And because it's backed by Sony's top-tier image processing pipeline, the colors, tones, and low-light performance are consistently strong across the board. Video is where this camera really flexes. You're getting full 4K video, oversampled from 6K, which means you're pulling ultra-crisp detail with every shot. Whether you're creating YouTube content, client work, music videos, documentaries, or just cinematic personal projects, the footage out of this camera looks stunning. It's sharp, it's vibrant, and it holds up under editing. You've also got support for 10-bit 422 internal recording, giving you flexibility in post-production with more room to color grade, apply LUTs, and stylize your footage exactly how you want. If you're someone who loves working with log footage or color profiles, the A6700 supports multiple log gamma curves, including S Log3 HLG, and full LUT import capabilities. That means you can monitor your shots with your favorite look baked in, or edit in post with max control. This is the kind of flexibility you normally see in cinema cameras, and it's all packed into a compact body. Autofocus is, no surprise, top of its class. The A6700 uses AI-based subject recognition that not only tracks faces and eyes, but can now recognize human posture and even animals, birds, cars, and more. You can set it to follow your subject and it just locks. No hunting, no pulsing, no guesswork. Whether you're filming yourself, a model, wildlife, or fast-moving scenes, it stays locked in and buttery smooth. You also get in-body image stabilization, sensor shift-based, that helps keep your handheld shots steady even in low light or long lens situations. This gives you more freedom to shoot on the go without constantly needing a tripod or gimbal. The stabilization works well in both photo and video modes, and when combined with lens stabilization, it really makes a difference. Let's talk about the lens in this kit. You're getting the 18 to 135 millimeter zoom, one of the most flexible ranges available. Wide enough for landscape and vlog work, zoomed enough for close-ups, street photography, or events. It's light, it's sharp, and it keeps up with the autofocus system perfectly. It's basically the ideal walk-around lens, and it saves you from having to swap lenses constantly throughout the day. The electronic viewfinder and rear screen are bright, clear, and responsive. The vari-angle LCD flips out and rotates for high, low, and front-facing angles, perfect for solo creators or anyone working in unpredictable environments. And the menus? Classic Sony, dense but powerful. Once you get familiar, they're customizable enough that you can tailor the layout to match exactly how you work. On the photo side, you've got fast burst shooting with tracking, perfect for capturing movement, sports, action, or just fast-paced shoots. And with support for RAW and JPEG, you've got the flexibility to shoot clean and edit deep, or keep things quick and social media ready. The files are detailed, clean, and consistent, even when lighting isn't perfect. Battery life holds up solid for both photo and video. It uses the NP-FZ100 series battery, which is a huge upgrade from the older Sony mirrorless models. You'll get through a long day of shooting without worrying about constantly swapping packs. And if you're streaming or running long takes, you've got USB-C power delivery for direct charging and runtime. That means you can plug into a wall or power bank and just keep going. The Sony A6700 also shines when it comes to hybrid work. Whether you're a wedding shooter, bouncing between stills and video, a YouTuber mixing talking heads with B-roll, or a filmmaker capturing BTS content alongside your main camera. This thing transitions seamlessly between modes. One second, you're grabbing crisp stills. The next, you're rolling 4K footage with full autofocus and stabilization. It just keeps up. Connectivity options are fully modern. A6700 covers it all. It's fast, it's smart, it's insanely capable, and it's ready to go right out of the box. If this review helped you out, drop a comment and let us know what you'd shoot first with the Alpha 6700. Hit that like button and subscribe to Top 5 Trey for more honest reviews on gear that actually does the job. No fluff, just facts. Until next time, stay sharp, shoot smarter. Peace out.